I'm Toby and this is Sea Life. Welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to our channel. I'm going to make sweet and sour beef. I used to love sweet and sour pork chops back when we ate pork. We don't eat pork anymore, so I'm making sweet and sour beef. And what I'm doing is just taking a sweet and sour pork chop recipe and changing it over. And there were also, we don't really eat soy sauce, so I may not put the soy sauce in there. But we're going to make a sweet and sour recipe with beef. What you see here is how I kosher my beef, and I do it a different way than most people do. I just sprinkle the kosher salt over the meat, and then I rinse it at the sink. So I just, it just makes it simple for me to just open the packages up, throw out the little absorption pad thing that they have, throw the salt over them, just let them rest for a little while, and then I rinse them at the sink. I'm going to put this mixture in the refrigerator. It's just your salt, your sherry, your drinking wine, your dry wine, sherry, salt, pepper, or soy sauce, salt or soy sauce, and pepper, and your sugar, the pepper and the sugar, and you just put that in the refrigerator and let it marinate for a little while after you've stirred it together. Caramelize my onions a little bit, and you want to still leave them a little bit crisp. And so now I'm starting on the peppers. And I'm using a wok. You guys don't have to use a wok, you can just use a large skillet if you want to. But what we're doing, we're leaving the vegetables crisp. And it did say medium-high heat. I think I said high heat before. So, yeah. Just wanted to clarify that. Nathan had a lot of peppers, and so you can use different colors in your peppers, or you can use one, it doesn't matter. And just a little bit of about 2 minutes of this for each vegetable, and then you put them in a different bowl. And then we're going to be putting this all together. Today I'm making a lot of this, so I went ahead and I'm heating up 2 pans, and now I'm putting them on high. I'm probably going to turn them down to about 5. But the oil should be pretty nice and warmed up when you put it in the pan. And I've got this out of the refrigerator, and here I go. I've started this side already, and I got it out of the refrigerator, and I'm just browning it up. Browning it up good. And I can see all the seasonings in it, and it's looking great. Now you only want 1 layer of beef in your pan, or pork, or whatever meat you're using, in your pan at a time. So you don't overfill your pan. That's what I found. And then we're going to brown this up. I'm going to check the recipe. I'll be right back. This meat undisturbed until a brown crust forms at the bottom. And so it looks like this meat has quite a little bit of moisture or water in it. But we'll see. I'm going to try and wait until it does that. It's not supposed to be smoky, but it got a little out of hand since I'm doing so much, I think. But I'm doing my last little bit of beef. And it's kind of, as you can see, it's kind of barbecued looking. It's kind of, looks like it's barbecued. And I returned it to the bowl with the peppers in it and the onions in it because I'm making so much up that I've got 2 pans working here. But I'm going to go ahead and put this all together here pretty soon. And the peppers and onions and everything will go in here, and then the sauce is going to come on. And it's going to be yummy.